Here comes the boiler man.
Big boiler room. Look at all that space. This is a big boy right here. What size? 350? I seen bigger. That's the feed tank. Another boiler, all that space. Got 3 tanks, storage tanks. Look at this chimney. That chimney huge. Look at that chimney. I'm doing efficiency right now. It's on low fire. It's on low fire. Doing efficiency on the big boiler. And look at all this. Who knows what's going on over here? Got a vacuum. I call that the vacuum. The vacuum tank. Chill vacuum. Big ass clean out. You can fit a person inside there. Imagine climbing inside there. That'll be fire. That'll be fire. Just like a water ride. Chill, let me take my efficiency. I'm bugging. Hold up. Go back around. Bringing it to high fire. Got it on standby. We're waiting for high fire. Ready. He said it was leaking. So we got a leak right here. What's this? We got to change the square D. A 9037 HG37. The leak over here. Alright, so we gotta take all this out. Was it loose? I don't know. Keep spinning. It was tighten up. So we good? Yeah, it has to be cleaned up.